Back to the charts with Big Boss Crypto, bringing on a day trading analysis on Bitcoin and on Chainlink. Yesterday we saw a climatic move to the upside all the way up to 47.2k, and we see that it is a blue volume candle. What does it mean, and what does Gary Gensler, the SEC chair, mean by his tweet warning investors to reconsider investing in crypto? Let's look at the charts. So looking at the Bitcoin chart, we can see we're still overextended to the upside. We had this market maker move, double bottom, first leg up, second leg up, third and final leg up, which is where we're currently at. We haven't yet seen a double top formation. I said to you in my last day trading video that we need to break this low right here to 40.2k. We didn't do that, and we continued to the upside. So next target to the upside is at 50k, where we're waiting for a double top confirmation of some kind. Until that, we're still bullish and we're still in uptrend. So wait for a double top confirmation before placing any shorts. Not financial advice, you do whatever you want to do, but theoretically wait for a double top confirmation. That is where we know we're in a reversal to the downside. Currently we don't see any yet. We need to still break this low right here to claim that we're somewhat in a double top formation. So 40.2k is the region to break. Look at the news events. As I said, Gary Gensler, SEC chair, wrote a thread on Twitter, some things to keep in mind if you're considering investing in crypto assets. He wrote that January 8th, so yesterday. Kind of a big news event because he's approving or not if we're gonna get the Bitcoin ETF. And as you can see from the Reuters article, US spot Bitcoin ETF could win approval next week after last minute application updates. They wrote that January 6th. And as you can see here, I marked it off. Some people who know the filing process know that the deadline may be approved by launch by January 10th. So tomorrow could be the deadline of an approval of the Bitcoin ETF or a rejection. Either way, be mindful of that, because we saw a climatic move yesterday, a blue volume candle, which signifies that the market maker loaded up on something, either long or shorts. And yeah, we pretty much pumped ever since Bitcoin filed the ETF around September. We pumped to the upside before the approval, so could be a sell the news event. Be very careful before placing any bets. And looking at the forex markets news events, we have the CPI numbers coming out on Thursday, which is kind of the big one. Other than that, pretty chill week. Looking at the liquidation map, a lot of people going long, thinking that this is the start of the bull run. ETF is going to get approved and we're going to 100k. And the market maker knows this, and more money is present to the downside than to the upside. So a lot of people going long. Kind of interesting, more money to the downside. We saw blue volume candle. ETF approval is coming pretty soon. So let's see what happens. Now let's take a look at Chainlink. So this is the Chainlink chart. As you can see, we have kind of formed a double top confirmation right here when we broke this low right here at $13.6. And we're currently kind of forming a reversal, which is pretty healthy. We've been pumping ever since August last year. And we have some volume candles which hasn't been recovered to the downside at $12. And we have this one at all the way down to $7.5, but we could tap into the $8.5 zone because we were in that range for over a year, as you can see here. And it would be great if you could see a tap of that region and that we could reverse from that point. So this is the target I'm aiming for, and not financial advice, but this is kind of a big important cluster to hold, the $8.5 region. And from there we can see a reversal. If we still continue to the upside, the next target to the upside is at $15.2. Break that, $16, and then $20 could be up for grabs if we get a big surge in the Bitcoin price to the upside. So this was it for today. I hope you learned something. Have a good one. Big Boss out.